turned left on a red arrow there at 14 and 47, and then you were all over the road. You crossed the yellow line, you were almost in the ditch with the whole truck, and then you came back in and out, you were right in the grass.
Yeah. I'm sorry.
Have you had any alcohol to drink tonight?
No.
Any drugs of any kind? Okay. Do you usually have motor skill issues? I noticed you dropped a couple of things while you were talking to me. I'm just worried that we're okay to make it home while we got two kids in the back of the car.
On September 29th, 2024, a traffic stop unfolded on Route 14 in Woodstock, Illinois. A mother of two was pulled over for erratic driving with both children asleep in the back seat. She denied all alcohol use. She denied all drug use. She was still charged with DUI. If those denials should have ended the investigation, Illinois law strongly disagrees. Here is the legal reasoning.
Good evening, how are you?
Hi. It would be better if you didn't have such bright lights on me.
I understand that. Do you have your driver's license and insurance on you?
I'm going to find that, and I was talking to my husband who doesn't help me out with anything.
Okay. About?
Life.
Oh, I gotcha. Oh, you're on the phone?
I was on the phone.
Okay. Are these your kiddos in the back?
Yes. I got two of them.
Oh, they're sleeping. We don't have to roll the window down. I was just curious.
I actually got the thing saved.
Okay. Do you know why I stopped you tonight?
No.
Well, so first thing, you turned left on a red arrow there at 14 and 47, and then you were all over the road. You crossed the yellow line, you were almost in the ditch with the whole truck, and you came back in and out, you were right in the grass.
Yeah. I'm sorry. I multitask on a regular basis.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay. Let me ask you a question. Have you had any alcohol to drink tonight?
No.
Any drugs of any kind?
Oh gosh, no.
Okay. What's got you driving like that?
Well, I have two kids that are just constantly on my case. Always asking me for things. And
Sure.
So, yeah.
Okay. Did you realize that you were all the way over the shoulder in the grass driving down Route 14 at any point?
Yeah.
You did?
Yeah.
Okay. How'd that happen?
Trying to navigate my two toddlers.
Okay. What were you doing that with your two toddlers that got you off the road multiple times?
Picking up, trying to find their tablets.
Okay. Okay. Do you usually have motor skill issues? I noticed you dropped a couple of things while you were talking to me. I'm just worried that we're okay to make it home while we got two kids in the back of the car.
I promise you I will be. I'm fine.
You're fine. Okay.
I'll be good.
Okay. Did you know that you turned left on a red arrow?
I thought I made it just in time.
It was pretty solid red when we went through, but you recognized that it was red at some point. I got you. Okay. All right. Give me 1 second. I'll be right back with you. Okay. All right, Mr. Dirks. Oh, what'd you get there?
I put my ring on last night that was too tight.
Oh, is it swollen?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me ask you, are you particularly tired or anything right now?
I'm always tired.
Okay. Because like I said, with what I noticed, the driving seems like you get some motor skill issues. Okay, your eyes are a little glassy. I'm worried that you're okay to drive because what I saw was dangerous. I just want to make sure we're good. So you're more tired than particular today?
I am.
Okay. Okay.
If you want to follow me to where I'm going, I'd be happy to. That'd be
Sure,
fine.
sure. First thing I want to do is just make sure that we're able to get there because from what I just saw, I don't think you are able to get there. So what I have you do real quick is called a finger dexterity test. I'm going to demonstrate it for you, and then I'll have you complete it. Wait till I'm done with the instructions. But what you're going to do is you're going to touch your thumb to the tip of each finger, and you're going to count out loud 1 to 4, and then you're going to go backwards and you're going to do the test twice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. So when I tell you to start, I want you to touch your thumb to the tip of each finger and then count the number out loud each time, forward and backwards twice. Do you have any questions about that test as I've explained it to you so far?
Nope.
Okay, you can begin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. I did
Okay.
it
All right. So, we on the phone right now? Were you texting on the phone or talking on the phone? You said you were something with your husband or...
I don't know. I was...
Gotcha. Okay. What I want you to do is if you can step out of the vehicle for me and come talk to me back here real quick, okay? Alright, then just right here so we're out of traffic and we're safe, okay? Alright. So you haven't had any alcohol tonight, no medications, nothing like that? Okay. Right now it seems that you are impaired, okay? And I want to make sure we make it home, okay, especially with the kids in the back. They're your kids, right? Son and daughter? Okay. And then you were leaving the Madison house, going to check on the horses right now?
Yep.
Okay. All right, so I want to run you through a couple of tests. I just want to make sure you make it home. I'm worried about you and the kids, okay? Once we get done with that, we can be on our way. Sound good? All right, Miss Dirks, the first thing I want to test is your eyes, okay? I'm going to give you some simple instructions while I do that. Can I have you stand with your feet together and your hands at your side? And just remain in this position while I give you the rest of the instructions. You understand that so far?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so what I want you to do is with your eyes and your eyes only, I want you to follow the tip of this pen here, okay? With your eyes and your eyes only, okay? Keep your head still for me. Okay, when I say begin, what I want you to do is take a series of 9, okay? Just take a series of 9 heel-to-toe steps down the line. When you get to the end, I want you to take a series of small steps, keeping that lead foot planted, and you're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps back, okay? Do you understand the instructions I've given you so far? Okay, you may begin.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9.
Okay. All right, Ms. Dirks. At this point, it does appear that you're impaired by something. You're telling me you haven't had any alcohol tonight?
No.
Okay. Well, from what I've seen, you are too impaired to drive.
That single sentence just triggered a cascade of Illinois statutes she probably knew nothing about. Under Illinois Statute Section 11-501, DUI does not require alcohol at all. Subsection A, Paragraph 4 criminalizes driving under any drug that renders the operator incapable of safe operation. Prescription medication, fatigue combined with sedatives, or over-the-counter drugs can all support the charge. Prosecutors need not identify the substance. Impairment is the legal element, not chemistry. The initial stop was constitutionally airtight under Delaware v. Prouse, decided in 1979. That decision requires only reasonable suspicion of a traffic violation to justify pulling a driver over. Multiple observed moving violations easily cleared that constitutional threshold with substantial margin to spare. Any motion to suppress evidence from the stop would almost certainly fail in an Illinois circuit court. For probable cause to arrest, the officer applied 2 standardized field sobriety tests approved by NHTSA. He also administered a finger dexterity check, which is not part of the standardized battery. Non-standardized tests carry reduced evidentiary weight at trial and remain vulnerable to defense cross-examination. However, probable cause is measured by totality of circumstances under Illinois v. Gates, 1983. Erratic driving, glassy eyes, poor motor control, and failed sobriety tests together clear the threshold under Beck v. Ohio.
Okay? That being said, you have 2 small children in the car with you. Okay? Is there somebody who can drive them home safely? Because at this point, I don't think you're capable of doing that.
You?
I can't do that. No, I don't have car seats. Your husband? Is that a possibility?
Are you going to take me to jail?
Yes. At this point, you were driving under the influence. I've determined that you were too impaired to drive, and you definitely can't be driving with the kids. Not to jail, to the police department and back home. But in the meantime, is there somebody who can watch your children?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's call him.
Yeah. Is for your phone in the car? Hold on.
Mind if we grab it so you don't...
Just because of traffic.
Is that okay?
Go ahead.
Yep, thank you.
Is he close by? Do you know?
Yeah.
Okay.
This will just make my divorce go quicker.
Is there anything illegal in the car right now? No open alcohol or anything? No, you could talk to him.
Nope.
Okay.
Not,
Hi, this is Officer Gallman with the Woodstock Police Department. I'm here with Miss Dirks.
Yes.
So we are currently at Route 14 between 47 and Dean. Are these your children that are with her?
It's on Bluetooth.
Oh. Can you hear me now, sir? It hooked up to the Bluetooth. Okay. So I'm asking, I'm at 14 between Dean and 47 with Miss Dirks. Are these your children that are with her? Is there a chance that you could come pick them up? Okay, that's fine. All right, here's your phone
I
back.
don't want my mother.
I mean, you asked me to call him, and that's who's coming. So,
Oh no.
well,
No.
you don't really have a choice in that right now. Why can't? No, your mother, yeah, right? You don't want that?
Absolutely not.
Why is that?
Two sleeping children in the back seat are about to make this significantly worse. The presence of two minors transformed a Class A misdemeanor into significantly compounded criminal exposure. Under 720 ILCS 5, Section 12C-5, each child supports a separate count. Illinois defines endangering the life or health of a child as knowingly placing a minor at risk of harm. Two children in the vehicle create two independent misdemeanor counts, not a single enhanced charge. Had this been a second DUI offense, subsection D of the statute would automatically elevate the case. That elevation produces a Class 2 felony with a mandatory minimum fine of $2,500. It also mandates 25 days of community service inside a court-approved child protection program. She has no idea yet what those two counts actually mean. Watch her reaction.
Because they all f***ing judge me for everything I do, and I take care of everybody.
Okay. I'm just looking for somebody responsible who can grab your kids and watch them.
He said the f***ing dad, and he can't come get him.
I don't know why. I mean, does he have work? Has he been drinking?
No.
I don't know. I don't know.
What? You're sending my f***ing mom over here? I hate my life.
Okay.
Take me to jail.
Okay.
You do whatever you want. These kids,
Okay.
I don't.
Well, relax. Stop. You don't want to see your kids to see you like this. Stop.
Oh, you guys didn't know what I have been through every day. I get abused. I'm abused. Don't push it. I don't. You don't
Stop.
have to do that. I am not. You don't have to do that.
Yeah, you're under arrest.
You don't have to do that.
Okay, let's go back to your children. Don't see this, okay?
You don't have to do that.
I do, because you're under arrest. And you're being belligerent, and you've almost run into traffic 3 times. So let's act right while your daughter is watching you, please. I don't want to do this to your kids, so please act right.
Thank you.
Don't make me do this to them. Gotcha.
Can't see it.
Gotcha. Do you have anything illegal on you right now? Any weapons of any kind?
You can look at me.
I will. I'm just asking you for my safety precautionary. Okay, thank you. No needles, no knives. Okay. You have a wallet or something in the car you want?
Mark.
Okay, we're gonna go in the rear of this car, okay?
Can you undo this before my mom comes?
No, I can't undo it till we get to the
She
police
won't even see it.
department.
She won't even see it.
Okay, so let's go to the car, please.
I need to get my wallet.
I'll get it for you. Have a seat for me.
Every word she just screamed at that officer became evidence. Here is exactly why. It also mandates 25 days of community service inside a court-approved child protection program. On the Fifth Amendment, Berkemer versus McCarty, 1984, controls the analysis. Miranda warnings are not required during ordinary traffic stops, only after formal custodial arrest begins. However, the subject's spontaneous outbursts remain fully admissible as res geste statements. They were not the product of interrogation, so no Miranda violation occurred here. That single legal distinction converted emotional venting into powerful prosecution evidence. On use of force, Graham versus Connor, 1989, governs the constitutional analysis. The officer used only minimal control techniques and applied handcuffs without any excessive force. There is no colorable Fourth Amendment claim and no viable federal civil rights lawsuit available here. Officer Gomez earns an A- for textbook probable cause construction and exemplary handling of the minor children. The subject earns a D for compounding her exposure through denials, outbursts, and failure to invoke silence. Woodstock Police Department earns a B+ for sound protocol and clean body camera evidence throughout. 3 legal lessons emerge from this arrest that every driver should remember. First, denying alcohol is not a defense in Illinois. Impairment from any source satisfies the DUI element. Second, after arrest, invoke your right to silence and immediately request an attorney. Third, transporting minors during impaired driving multiplies criminal exposure geometrically, not linearly. 2 children do not create one enhanced charge. They create 2 charges that permanently reshape custody options. Let us know in the comments any interaction or legal topic you would like us to analyze next. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on police court interactions.